2026 is the year that voice AI explodes. We've spent the last number of years talking about chatbots, automated emails, and AI that writes copy for you. But now we're entering a completely new and different world. AI that talks, AI that answers the phone, AI that books appointments, it takes payments, it handles all the support, and all without a human. And here's what most people don't realize. The biggest winners in voice AI won't be the technical geniuses. They'll be people who spot opportunity early, like you. I've already watched people with zero tech background go from scratch to earning 30k per month, selling automated phone systems to businesses. This is happening right now, so you need to stick with me, because I'm going to break down exactly what this opportunity is, how you can start from zero, the shortcuts that'll save you months of trial and error, and much more. Hey, I'm Mike Scully. I've built multiple AI automation agencies, worked with clients across 20 plus industries, and scaled systems that generate real revenue. Over the past year, I've gone all in on voice AI. Why? Well, it's because I've seen the exact same pattern happen with websites in 2010, social media ads in 2015, ChatGPT in 2023. The early movers always win. I've helped businesses take the calls that nobody wants, refunds, FAQs, rescheduling, bookings, and automate them with a voice agent that sounds 99% human. These businesses love it because it saves them money, their staff stop wasting time, and they grow faster without hiring. The market is wide open, there's low competition, and there's high demand. And the people that move now will own 2026. Think about any business that gets a ton of repetitive calls. Dentists, gyms, clinics, vet offices, car garages, service providers. There's endless businesses out there. They're all spending money on employees to answer the same questions over and over again. Can I book an appointment? Do you take walk-ins? What times are you open? And this just wastes time, it slows growth, and it drains profit. A voice AI agency replaces this and solves this problem by putting an AI agent inside these businesses. And that agent will answer the phone immediately, it sounds human, it takes action, and it knows the business inside out. And for the business, this impact is simple. It's lower cost, lower stress, and 10 times higher growth. Businesses don't care about AI, they care about outcomes. So when you're pitching, you don't sell the technology. You need to actually sell what the technology does. So it generates more revenue, less payroll, fewer mistakes, and happier customers. Voice AI, it's not a gadget, it's a profit lever. Now, when it comes to picking your niche, that'll determine a couple of things. How you talk to prospects, what results you get, and how fast you scale. So you need to start where you already have leverage. If you understand an industry, their problems, the way they speak, their workflows, then sales become effortless. Here's some proven niches that are converting right now. Dental, gyms, customer support agents, restaurants, hotels, barbers, salons, there's tons. You can build all these with Make, Airtable, 11 Labs, Repeat Agents. There's quite a few tools to use, so it is a little bit complex. And these business owners, if you're smart and you're watching this, you're not going to build this yourself. You're going to get someone like myself or someone else to actually build this for you, upfront cost, and then you save absolutely thousands in the long run. So if you do want that for your business, just check the link below and I can help you out. Now, if you're building this AI agency, then leads are what matters. And there are three things working in particular right now. Number one is ads targeting business owners. So you just need to show a short demo of this agent actually working. It sells itself then. Number two is a personal brand. Exactly what I'm doing. I'm telling you about the business that I'm growing, and I'm able to sell that offer through these videos. Number three is direct outreach. So you need to find businesses online that are your ideal customer. Show them missed calls and bad reviews and just offer to fix it. Now, when you actually get a call booked with these people, just ask questions, understand their problems, and show how your solution eliminates their pain. Never lead with the technology. It's confusing, and a business owner, even like myself, we don't really want to deal with that tech. When it comes to pricing, you typically charge an upfront fee. That covers the setup of all this because, again, it does take quite a bit of time to set this up for businesses. So it is required. And then there's a small monthly fee after that to maintain it. If anything crashes, if anything breaks, which is super rare, but that's an important part. You can't have your business running and then the agent is not working and you don't even realize. So we actually have a line that flags and signals if one of these agents goes down, and we have a developer there to fix it immediately. Usually the problems are solved within 10 minutes. It's that quick. So we provide that constant monitoring 24/7 for our clients. Then if there's any updates, they change their closing time, they change a menu, they change something about their business that the agent needs to learn, then we do that for them. So we're constantly updating that prompt and making sure it's like one of your employees and keeping everything up to date. So to deliver these projects, you need a few steps, which I'm gonna just read out to you here. You need to scope the project. So clarify exactly what you will build with the business for the business that you're working with. You need to set expectations and so timeline. This usually takes about a month to complete and to have live, which is absolutely fair based off you're going to help them save time, save money, and potentially you're going to need less staff hours for the business. So they need to set up all these things in the background as well while you're building the system for them. And an important piece that a lot of people don't do is to keep clients updated. I provide updates twice a week to my clients. I think this is an important piece, even if it's just a one-line message, it's super important and they appreciate that transparency. So it could be a weekly message, a weekly Loom video on updates, something like that. Give them demos along the way, give them quick wins. This is all really important to do. It builds the trust, it builds a relationship with the business owner that you're selling to. And happy clients that you're providing a genuine ROI for ends up being monthly revenue for you over and over and over again. So it's a win-win for everyone involved. And that's the whole point of these agents and automation in general. We provide a lot of automation systems for our clients as well. CRMs, onboarding automations, finance trackers, dashboards, all super important and vital for business growth. So if you're interested in any of this, make sure you click the link below and check it all out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. It helps a ton. Take care.